big like Suburbans, we pull up like Sunday service. I just want a one-on-one, don't know why she's so nervous.
From the A, you so lame, and no one here even mentions your name. It must be the way, it must be, cause you be poppin', heard you get it poppin'.
Hey y'all, I'm back with another wig review and unboxing, and today we are working with Juliahair. This is their Honey Blonde Water Wave Highlighted Color Wig in the 6x4.75 pre-cut lace wig. And I got this unit in 22 inches, and this is what the color of the hair looks like. Super pretty. And these are the goodies I got. Some wig caps. They actually gave me a lot of wig caps, like a lot of wig caps. And they also gave me a lot of melting bands. Like, do y'all love me? Because y'all really pack my box so good, or do y'all just do this for everybody? Oh, y'all just do this for everybody. Okay, got you. So, and they also gave me bonnets. I can like literally count on one hand the amount of times I got bonnets in my package. So I'm definitely appreciate that, because I always be losing my bonnet or needing a new one. And they also gave me this little cute box, and I opened it up, I'm like, there's no way. They gave me a freaking ring. Like, y'all really must love me for real. Then I put it on. It said size 19. I didn't even know sizes go that big, because I thought I wore like a size 6 or 7. It was a little too big, but I was like, you know, maybe it'll fit later. I could just give it to somebody or something. I don't know, but it was real cute. So thank y'all for my gift box. Super cute, so fab. And let's get into this unit now. It came with an adjustable band to put into the back of my wig, which I did end up putting in. And this is what the hairline looks like. It's plucked really good. The notch, can't really see no knots. The color is bomb. And the lace is also pre-cut, so I didn't have to cut any of the lace. And then this is the length of the hair, the fullness, the luster. So let's jump right into this install. I didn't do nothing to this wig off camera, y'all. I didn't even put no makeup on it. So right now I'm just gonna take my wax stick and my hot comb, and y'all know the drill. Get the top of this super duper flat. Okay, so boom, I did both sides of the wig, and then I'm just taking some holding spray in my edge brush and just pushing that hair back in the front just for like that clean kind of look. And then I'm parting out where I want my baby hairs, because I am doing baby hairs with this wig. And then I'm just gonna take my hair and pin it up out the way while I work on these baby hairs. Taking my hot comb and just kind of hot combing them flat so they're laying the way I want them to lay. And then I cut them to the length that I want them to be. And then from there, I just go straight into wetting the hair and detangling and defining the curls. I did speed this part up, but y'all know the drill. All right, that's one side done. And look how pretty this hair looks when it's wet. Once I define the curls and just really wet it, and I think I did put a little bit of mousse in it, look how pretty it looks. And then, bow. I finished wetting the whole head, then I just pinned the hair up so I could work on the baby hairs. Took my mini curling iron and curled my mini flat iron and curled those up, and then I'm brushing them into place. And then I took my eyebrow razor and kind of created like a widow's peak on the hairline. I've been doing this to a lot of my wigs lately, where the hairline is just kind of like straight and boxy to help give it some kind of shape. And then I'm taking my concealer and helping to define this part so it can be a little bit more visible, which I think that really helped with the appearance of this install. It's so cute like this. I actually love the hair like this wet look. I feel like I could just go shoot a music video or something in the rain. Like, this look right here is so cute. I don't know, I just love wet curly hair. And then boom, y'all, this install is literally so fast, and this video is literally so quick and fast because the install literally took no time. This is how the hair dried, y'all. It dried really pretty. looking back at it, this hair actually dried really pretty. I don't know why when I was recording this video right here at this part, I was just looking at this hair like, ugh. I was like, this video is gonna turn out like a mess because this hair is just like, I don't know. I don't know if this color is for me, but now that I'm looking back at the video, it's like, it looks fine. It looks good. So I don't know what I was tripping about that night. I think I was just tired, but yeah, y'all, this is how the hair turned out. So just enjoy these few clips.
It's not good.
And then I decided that I didn't like the middle part. I didn't like the middle part all night, but now that I'm watching the video back, when I was editing, I'm like, the middle part actually looked okay. So I did end up trying to change the style a little bit. Y'all see me hot combing the hair back into like a slick half up, half down kind of thing, hot combing the top of it and trying to get it flat. I had to crop it right there because my underarms, please just act like y'all don't see that. I'm so sorry, that's so embarrassing, but I really be forgetting about my underarms. It's been cold outside, y'all, so but yeah, getting that real super duper flat. Whenever I do half up, half down, if it's not on flat, then we're not doing a half up, half down because it needs to be flat, okay? That is key for a half up, half down. And then right here, you of course could wear this wig glueless, but with me putting the tension on this wig by pulling the hair back like that, I did want to go ahead and put a little bit of spray on it, which I mean, it's still glueless because you can literally take that off. Take off the wig from with that spray with water, like, you know, it's still a glueless install. And yeah, y'all, this is how the second hairstyle turned out. I actually really did like this hairstyle. And yeah, y'all, now that I'm looking back at this video, y'all know what I was thinking the whole time when I was editing this? You know who I look like? If y'all watch Game of Thrones, Khaleesi, if she was black with the blonde hair.
20 black Suburbans be pull up like Sunday service. I just want a one-on-one, don't know why she's so nervous.
This is literally how she was wearing her hair, like with the little slick back, half up, half down, wavy looks. I'm like, I look like a black Khaleesi. Like, if you put me in the gear, the costume, the apparel, I could be on Game of Thrones with this hairstyle. Just imagine it. Exactly, the black Khaleesi.
Black Suburbans we pull up like Sunday service. I just want a one-on-one, don't know why she's so nervous. Every time I put on this color hair, like this blonde color hair in like a curly or wavy texture, I just feel like I be looking like Lotto. Like the blonde hair, it just gives Lotto. Like the blonde hair with the highlights, literally every time I wear this I think of Lotto. Like I don't even think of Beyonce, I don't know why. I instantly think of Lotto. But this turned out actually really cute. I love this hairstyle that I decided to do. A little slick back with a middle part and the baby hairs. I literally did that last minute because I was like, the side part, it was cute, but it wasn't really giving me what I needed. And I'm just like, y'all know, you know, the middle parts with me just be like hit or miss. So I was like, you know, let me try something else. But this right here, it just gives like Cinderella, baddie. It literally is giving like I'm gonna go perform on stage. It gives like Lotto. But yeah, y'all, this is from Juliahair. So shop the link in my description to get this unit. Click the link in my description to get this exact unit, y'all. Period.
Yeah, y'all, that is how this hair turned out. I don't know if I'm a fan of this blonde color. I mean, this is cute, but I just feel like I be having to do a lot to make blonde look cute on me. I don't know, it just depends on like the hairstyle, what kind of texture it is and everything. But this is cute. I actually do have a lot of blonde wigs to install, which is crazy because it's like I'm not even a blonde wig girly, but I have so many blonde wigs, it's crazy, y'all. So if you're into blonde hair, then subscribe. If you're already subscribed, then keep an eye out for those videos that are on the way, because I actually have a lot of blonde hair on the way and we're gonna see how it goes. So yeah, y'all. But what I can say is, if you're a hair company watching this video, please no more blonde because it's cute, but like I just prefer natural black colors or blonde highlights. Blonde highlights are okay, but these blonde colors, I think I've had enough, y'all. I don't know, I don't think I need no more right now. This is not a phase I'm in right now. So yeah, but thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content just like this and more, and I'll see you on my next video. Love y'all so much. Bye.
Now at first when I seen this blonde color with the middle part, I was like, I'm not really feeling it. which is why I did this hairstyle. But this right here, it eats down. Like, let's really get into it. I literally feel like mulatto with this hair. Like, yeah, let's get into it.